Hello everyone, today we'll be starting with the first chapter of political science, that is power sharing. In this chapter we'll be studying about one of the countries of Europe, that is Belgium. Belgium is a small country in Europe. It is smaller in area than the state of Haryana. That means in terms of area ये country हरियाणा से भी smaller है. It has borders with France, Netherlands, Germany and Luxembourg. Further, we'll be discussing about the ethnic composition of Belgium. Now, what is ethnic composition? Ethnic composition means how the social groups of Belgium has been divided on the basis of their culture. Out of the total population, 59% of the people live in Flemish region and they speak Dutch. Another 40% of the people live in Wallonia region and they speak French. Remaining 1% of the people speak German. Now, Dutch speaking community is a majority community in Belgium. What do you mean by majority community? Majority community means that Dutch speaking community has highest percentage of people living in Belgium as compared to French and German. देखो 59% population किसकी है? Dutch speaking community. So that means this community has majority in Belgium, while French speaking community and German speaking community are the minority communities in Belgium. Though French is a minority speaking community in Belgium, still this community is rich and powerful. Since this minority French speaking community was rich and powerful, this was not being liked by the Dutch speaking community. And this was the reason that there became a tension between Dutch speaking community and French speaking community during the 1950s and 1960s. Moving ahead, we'll be discussing about the capital city of Belgium, that is Brussels. अब इसकी ethnic composition देखते हैं. The ethnic composition of Brussels is that 80% of the population speaks French and 20% of the population speaks Dutch. Opposite हो गई बात. अब बेल्जियम में क्या था? 59% of the people were speaking Dutch, whereas in the capital Brussels 20% of the people are speaking Dutch. And in Belgium, French community consisted of 40% of the population, whereas in Brussels, French people constituted 80% of the population. That means in the capital, French speaking community was the majority community. And Dutch speaking community is the minority community of the Brussels. Now, Brussels presented a special problem. The special problem is the Dutch speaking people constituted a majority in the country but a minority in the capital. इसका मतलब है कि डच स्पीकिंग कम्युनिटी की बेल्जियम में मेजॉरिटी थी, बट in the capital city of Brussels, Dutch speaking community had the minority. Now let's move on to another country, that is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation. It has about 2 crore people, about same as in Haryana. Further, we'll be discussing about the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka as well. In Sri Lanka, 74% of the people are Sinhala speakers and they follow Buddhism. 18% of the population are of Tamil speakers. Tamil speakers are further categorized into Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils. Now, who are Sri Lankan Tamils? The native citizens of Sri Lanka and who have been the part of Tamil speakers are Sri Lankan Tamils, and they constitute 13% of the population. Now, who are Indian Tamils? Indian Tamils include those people who have come to Sri Lanka as plantation workers at the time of colonial period. मतलब वो Indians जो श्रीलंका में आए थे at the time of colonial rule, as plantation workers, those people come under the category of Indian Tamils, and they constitute 5% of the population, and the remaining 7% are the Christians, who are both Tamils as well as Sinhalas. Now, looking at the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka, we can make out that in Sri Lanka, Sinhala speakers are the majority community, while Tamil speakers and Christians come under the minority communities. I hope the topics are clear to you. Thank you.